Can everyone hear me? Excellent. Okay. Well, we are Jamie Burfield and Tisha Stemp with Uncover Culture by Streams New World Learning, an integrated pre-K through 8th grade social studies curriculum unpacking history and culture in high definition and living color. Education is in cultural crisis. Canada and the US have mandated inclusive curriculum, yet none truly exists. Resources are limited, educators are under pressure, learners are marginalized, and schools are often intolerant and unsafe places. But Uncover Culture has a solution, an online platform delivering fully integrated, culturally conscious curriculum for schools and districts. Aligned with Canadian and US standards, both social studies, multicultural, and social emotional learning, Open and Go lessons unpack today's complex themes in 9 easy to follow sequential units, 32 weeks of lessons, and ongoing training and support for staff. So teachers are confident, learners are engaged, schools are peaceful, and everyone is part of the discussion. Our starting target market is Newfoundland and Nevada, and we see nothing but tremendous growth potential across the North American continent. Our main competitors are the big publishing houses, which are often very expensive and have outdated material, and the smaller houses that have very limited scope and resources. Where the others fall short, Uncover Culture covers and includes everything at no additional cost. Open and Go lessons, engaging current content, inclusive curriculum, and that all-important ongoing training. All included in a subscription-based service sold and provided directly to schools to serve and build our client base through customized professional development, developing partnerships, and continually updating our content. Right now, we're actually expanding our professional development internationally, and we see growth as inevitable. Hundreds of billions of dollars will be spent in educational technology. We'd actually like to see the gamification of our product in the next 3 to 5 years so that families can play Uncover Culture together instead of, say, Grand Theft Auto. Why us? Why us? Because we've been in this business for 30 years as frontline teachers. We've been writing equity, diversity, inclusion curriculum and legislation, organizing community, and training schools in inclusive practices. We've spoken to thousands of educators, and the sentiment is always the same. There are no adequate programs in this area available. Educators are desperate for engaging current materials, training and culturally responsive teachers, and schools and families are spending more than ever because ed tech is the future. And Uncover Culture is the future of ed tech, empowering schools to experience the world, see themselves reflected in the curriculum, and be a part of that all-important discussion. We are Uncover Culture, and we implore and ask humbly that any Newfoundland educators, community groups, or cultural groups be not only part of the discussion with us, but also be part of the solution through your insight and input. Jamie, anything else to add?
We would just be very grateful for any input and insight. We have put our contact information in the chat, uncoverculture@streamseducation.com. Sincere thanks